Hello, my name's Lizzie from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Land Rover Defender 110 3-litre D300 X-Dynamic HSE. Now this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission, is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Carpathian grey. To start off with then, you have your LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 20-inch 6-spoke alloy wheels with a gloss black finish, really complementing against the Carpathian grey exterior colour. The vehicle also features a full-size spare alloy wheel, ideal for any occasion you may need it, and once we open up the boot you can see that it's got a 7-seat configuration, allowing you to carry up to 2 extra passengers, and when those seats are folded down you have a huge amount of boot space. Located in the rear you are also able to find your tow bar controls, allowing you to tow things such as a trailer or perhaps even a caravan for those weekend getaways. Travelling through the rear seats now, you can find the ebony upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, which are ideal for small children's car seats. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again you find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the car, giving the cabin a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control. Taking a look at the dash, you can see this vehicle has done 11,386 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible. DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Along with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music. You also have your 4x4 information, wade sensing and terrain response information, allowing you to use this vehicle on most off-road terrain, ensuring you always stay safe and comfortable no matter what. Pairing with these features, you also have your off-road camera, ideal for those off-road days. Of course, you also have your 3D 360 view camera, allowing you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. The front seats in this car are heated and ventilated, ideal for those hot summer days as well as those colder winter ones. And this is paired with the dual zone climate control, so you can individually adjust the temperature. This has been a presentation on a Land Rover Defender 110 3-litre D300 X-Dynamic HSE that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.